To sign up for the Online Learning Consortium, first we will begin at onlinelearningconsortium.org. Once at this home page, we will then click Login. Here, we will click Create Account. Here, you will enter your university email address. This is how you will get access to the OLC materials that the University of Memphis has paid for. Now, we will fill out the information required to create an account with OLC. Once we have filled out that information, we will create a password. Then we will click Register. You may be asked to create a new password. If you are, follow the instructions. 8 characters, 1 letter, and 1 number. Congratulations, you have now created your Online Learning Consortium account.